Thank you guys for joining me, Sir Smith, of another episode of A Crafter's Journey. Today, as you guys see here on the box here, I will be unboxing and setting up the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro. Without further ado, let's get into it. Open the box here. Pretty little box. Instructions, well, brochure or something. Yeah, catalog, brochure. As you guys see here, owner's manual. 1 1/4 pocket head screws, 2 1/2 pocket head screws. Comes with a dust collector adapter port. Comes with a hose, dust collector hose port, I guess. Okay. And here goes our machine. So I guess I'm gonna do it like how they do. I'm gonna set up this right here. Move this to the side. Take out the paper, plastic. We have the screws. Let's see what else we have here. Okay. Here's go the drivers. See what's on here. Okay. Okay, I guess these are the storage wings. I gotta see what side they belong on. And we have one more storage wing as well. So that's everything within the box. So let me go ahead and put the plastic empty. Okay. All right. Okay, let's see what else here. All right. So basically, let's open up the storage bin. Let's see what's inside this one here. Okay. I see these must go here, adapters that connect to here and here. So we have this. Some type of vice grip mechanism. As you guys see here. We have this here. We have this and this. So what I would do is pause the video for now and come back after I read instructions on how to hook all this stuff up and I will show you guys that as well.